Down.
Two more. Lefty.
Down the wicket and over the top of long on. That'll be 6. Yes, it is.
A lot of Fernando. Oh, he's hit that in the air. This will be out caught, surely. No, it's 6. It's 6. It's only just 6, but it's 6.
Last over. Beautiful shot from Potty. Picks it up as clean as a whistle. And you're calling it out. It's gone over the fence. Vast no chance there.
That's another one, comfortably into the crowd. It doesn't matter whether field or not. The fashion is today to hit the ball in the second tier. Now this one's even bigger. Go get another ball. No, this is only third.
Well, I think he knew that there would be a response. He was there, he's back.
And he goes after that one, and it's 6. Just using the pace of the bowler.
Oh!
No ball's called, and it's gone for 6. Seen this cut shot played a few times now by both these.
There he goes, and he's hit it into the stand. Wow, out of the blue. Where did that come from?
Out of the middle.
He can do it 3 times in a row. Yes, I can! And Finn falls on his nose to add insult to injury. Oh, that's woken him up around Eden Park. Brilliant stuff. He might have an option 2 more. There's one. Hit it for 6. That's a beauty. Love that option.
Short boundary, cleared that by plenty. 6 runs for David de Villiers. And again, improvisation for 6 more. That is absolute. Hammered for 6 more. That's a long way back, David de Villiers. Boutas slam that for 6. That's a big one. Nicely played again by David de Villiers and nicely caught in the crowd. Wow. He says, part-timer, I'm having some of you. Very first ball. If it wasn't for the big
Is that the one you said that sounds better?
It sounded a little better that one, Smitty, didn't it?
And that's straight out of the screws. That's into the trees as we see. He's been bowling good Yorkers.
And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni.
Oh, that helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. There he goes again. Oh, this is a beauty. We'll go all the way. It may very well. Yes, beautiful. What a good over.
And Surya is batting like a bomb. That's 6. Slightly over pitch from.
Swammed away for 6. Over third man.
Well, there he goes.
There we go again. This could be something really spectacular.
Particularly on Mark Gillespie.
It's working. That is massive. It's huge. It's in someone's backyard.
Gets in the mood. Look out. Like that. How's that to start him?
What's got a mile? Just got inside at this experience. Just use the pace. Backward a point, and six, third man will call it instead of backward a...
He's a big hitter anyway. He's been threatening to do this for about 2 years, to get one right out the screws. He's been swinging for 2 years. This is just literally the perfect kind of shot, isn't it? The fast speed that's gone into
Well, it is. It's like a goal follow through, but you know when you hit it into the stand, it's a big hit. But that has hit the roof and gone over it.
Get low when the whistle goes.